Hey y'all, it's me Deja B, back at it again with another video. Today I am bringing you guys a wash day routine and one product wash and go. This is currently what my hair is looking like after a week and 6 days after those Miche Beauty products that I reviewed in my last video. So right now I'm getting my hair wet, of course, because that's how you start your wash day. You gotta get your hair wet to get it washed. And then I'm going to go in with the Kinky Tresses Restorative Deep Conditioner. I'm using that as my pre-poo. I didn't want to bring a whole bunch of products. I was out of town, so I'm just using this, and I'm also going to deep condition with it. So I'm rubbing it on my hair, and I'm just trying to rub it in there really well before I get to detangling. So that's just what I'm doing at this current moment. And of course, I'm going to section my hair to begin detangling, and I'm going to leave my hair in twisted sections and wash my hair in those twisted sections as well. And look at that dry. Ow. All right, now I'm going in with the Miche Beauty Green Apple Shampoo. If you want to know my review on that, please see my previous video. So I'm just washing that deep conditioner out of my hair, or rinsing it out, not washing it out. And then I am adding this shampoo to my scalp, and I'm going to scrub it up dub in the tub. And as you can see, this product lathers really well. I only did one shampoo with this product because this product is very cleansing, and I did not have a lot of product buildup. So majority of the time I do one shampoo, unless I have like a protective style or something where I have a lot of buildup, or any other style that has buildup. And now I'm going back in with the Kinky Tresses Restorative Deep Conditioner. And I'm just rubbing that throughout my hair. And then I left it in for a little while and now I'm rinsing it out. Now I'm going to start the wash and not go process. So I'm using the Wetline Xtreme gel, and what I'm doing is I took the twist out and now I have my hair in 4 sections. I'm going to run my hair under the water just to get a little extra water on there, and then I'm going to apply the Wetline Xtreme gel only, no leave-in or anything. And then what I'm doing here is I am just making sure that my strands are fully coated with the product. And as you can see, I am very thorough. Now this is what my hair is looking like while it's still very wet. Hello. So this is like my day 4 hair. I actually have barely worn it out. This is the most stretched that it has been, and it looks good. Looks good, right? Yeah, so at first my hair was I wasn't feeling like it was moisturized, even though I didn't put a moisturizer on it, so no need to be surprised about that. But it still doesn't really feel that moisturized, but it's soft or whatever, so whatever, you know. Don't feel like super dried out, but as soon as I get home, it's probably gonna get washed. It's gonna be real dry by then, especially because it's cold. But yeah, so I guess I'll just try to show you as the days go by. Peace. Hey guys, so this is my day 4 hair. Day 4. I banded it last night. Very stretched, very good looking still. I'm getting a little bit bigger day by day, of course. Long way from what it initially looked like. So yeah, see you later. Hey guys, so I just wanted to give you a quick update on my hair because I think I forgot to do it yesterday, or I might have had the days off. I did my hair last Friday, and I'm counting that as day 1 since it was dried and everything that day. I just didn't stretch it or anything, so I guess it will be Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So this is day 6 hair, and it looks really good. And it doesn't feel super dry. There are like some little flakes because, you know, I piled a lot of gel on here, as y'all saw. So yeah, it's looking good. So I guess I'll continue to update you guys until, you know, the end. All right, peace.